Welcome back my YouTube family. Today we're going to make saag. So I put 2 bunch of saag there, roughly chopped it, washed it, ready to go. So I'm going to put in a blender and I'm going to make it smooth. That's why I roughly chopped it. So there's ginger piece, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 4 green chilies and garlic. So all that's ready, chopped roughly again. I put in a pot and now I'm going to put saag in, and then I'm going to leave it. I'm going to boil it and then I'm going to leave it on low heat for 1 hour. So now I'm going to show you the spices I'm going to put in. We eat medium spice, but you can add more or less. And remember, I got 2 bunch of saag only, which is around half a kg. Because in UK they do give you bunch, but I don't know if in other country they weight, or I don't know how it works. So that's kasuri methi. It's like I forgot the name now. And that's half teaspoon red chilies. These are half teaspoon crushed chilies, garam masala, turmeric, haldi, half teaspoon, and 1 spoon of salt. So all these spices I'm going to add them in. So now add the spices. I'm going to mix it together. I haven't added any water, maybe you noticed that. So I'm going to boil it because when I washed the saag, there was a little bit of water. So I'm going to boil it. I'm going to leave it on low heat for 1 hour and then I'm going to show you next step. After leaving saag on 1 hour on low heat, then I cooled it down and then I blended it. So then I put 500 gram yogurt and I put 500 half kilo water and 3 tablespoon of gram flour, chickpea flour. So now I'm going to mix all this together. Everything has been mixed and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of pure ghee butter and I'm going to leave it for 1 more hour on low heat and then I'll show you the result. And I will add some fresh coriander as well. And I will leave the ingredient in the description hopefully. And if you're not sure, please rewind the video and check few times and then you will know that this is my own made recipe. And few of my family friends, they really liked it, so I thought I'll share on my YouTube channel. Everybody can enjoy it. This is different. I made my own recipe basically. So it's ready now, mashallah. I wish you can smell it. So now I'm going to add fresh coriander. Handful fresh coriander. Two tablespoons of pure ghee. I wish you can smell it, mashallah. That's it. And this recipe is so good, mashallah. You can freeze it, you can share with your friend, you can eat it yourself. So you can eat it with the makki roti, corn roti, or you can eat it pronta. You can leave in the fridge for a few days. And this did not cost me much. Costed me around, I'll say £4 altogether. And this will be like 8 portion people. And if you go out and buy saag, it's really expensive in UK. I think it's £8 a portion now. And so you can buy, you made 8 people meal in £4 or £5. It's not bad, is it? So I wish you can smell it, mashallah. It's really, really nice. All my house is full of smell. So I made this recipe really easy so everybody can enjoy it.